Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. Once you open the settings, scroll down and find the alarm clock option and then tap on it. And here, if you don't have any alarms, you will see this alarm button. You can tap it, or new alarm button, and you can tap on it. And here we can basically set up our alarm. First we have the repeat, and basically you can select how often the alarm will go off or on which days. And we have once, weekdays, and daily. Select the one you like. Then set the hour on which it should go off. Like this. Then you can press the middle button to continue. And the alarm will be set. You will see it right here. You can also add new alarm if you want to, because you can have multiple alarms. Like this. You can also edit the alarms by tapping on one, turning it on or off. So you can basically turn it on or off. You can change the time, the repeat option. You can also remove it if you want to. And if you turn off the alarm, the icon will change. It will be grayed out, which means that the alarm is turned off. And if you turn it on, it will be orange, I would say. That means that the alarm is on. Okay, and once you're done setting up your alarms, you can basically go back. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.